Welcome to the Aerospace Harness Engineering. Aerospace Harness Engineering focuses on precision, reliability, and compliance in wire harness manufacturing. This platform provides knowledge on connectors, crimping tools, and assembly techniques used in aerospace and defense systems, helping understand standards, tooling, and real-world applications. The D38999/20FB99SN connector, which is part of the MIL-DTL-38999 Series III family. Now let's understand the part number step by step. D38999 refers to the military specification standard. /20 means this is a wall mount receptacle. F indicates electroless nickel finish over aluminum body. B represents shell size 11. 99 is the insert arrangement, also called layout B99, which have total contact 7 and size 20 AWG. S means socket contacts, or female contacts. And N indicates normal key position with 0-degree orientation. This connector belongs to the MIL-DTL-38999 Series III category. It is designed for extreme EMI shielding and vibration resistance. The connector supports 500 mating cycles minimum and is resistant to dust, moisture, salt spray, and shock conditions. The insert arrangement is B99 with 7 size 20 crimp socket contacts. Mating connector. This connector mates with the D38999/26FB99PN plug connector. Both connectors must have the same shell size and key code for proper mating. The key code N means normal orientation. If the key positions do not match, the connectors cannot be connected properly.
Here we can see the contact details used in this connector. The standard contact part number is M39029/56-351. These are size 20 socket contacts used for AWG 20 to 24 wires. The strip length required is 0.188 inches, or 4.77 millimeters. These contacts are designed for high reliability and aerospace-grade electrical performance.
Sealing plug. All unused cavities inside the connector must be sealed using sealing plugs. The recommended sealing plug is MS27488-20-2, which is red in color. These plugs help maintain environmental sealing and protect against moisture and contamination. Crimping tools. For crimping size 20 contacts, we use the AF8 crimp tool, also known as M22520/1-01. The TH116 turret head, or positioner, is used together with the crimp tool for accurate crimping. This tool provides an 8-indent crimp, as per aerospace standards. Always complete the full ratchet cycle and avoid half crimps. This slide shows the insertion and extraction tools used during connector assembly. The M81969/14-10 plastic tool is recommended for inserting and removing contacts safely. Torque information. Correct torque is very important during connector assembly. For shell size 11 connectors, approved torque values and torque adapters must be used. Never use pipe wrenches or pliers because they can damage the connector plating. Electrical specifications. This slide shows the electrical and mechanical performance data. Size 20 contacts can carry up to 7.5 amps, depending on wire size. The connector also provides excellent insulation resistance, vibration resistance, and shock performance. Assembly procedure. Now, let's look at the assembly process, step by step. First, install all hardware and backshell components before inserting contacts. Next, strip the wire to the correct length and load the wire into the contact. Then crimp the contact using AF8 and TH163 tools. After crimping, inspect the contact carefully and perform pull testing if required. Insert the contact into the connector using the insertion tool until it locks properly. Seal all unused cavities and finally apply the correct torque during assembly. Quick reference summary. This slide provides a quick summary of the complete connector information. It includes the mating connector part number, crimp tools, insertion tools,
sealing plugs, strip length, torque adapter, and operating temperature range. This reference is useful during assembly, inspection, and maintenance activities.
Disclaimer. Disclaimer clarifies that the information is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for official documentation or certified procedures. Always follow approved aerospace standards and manufacturer guidelines. Thanks for watching. Encourages viewers to like, share, and subscribe for more aerospace tooling content, helping build a knowledge-sharing community around wire harness engineering.